Hello guys, this is God's Ogiagbe. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money by shopping online. So if you want to shop online and make up to $10 to $50, all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I will show you step by step how you can make up to $10 to $50 by just shopping online. So just watch this video and let me show you step by step how you work. So let us head over to my computer right now. Let me show you step by step how this method works.
So guys, before we head over to this website that will allow you to make money by shopping online, all I just ask in return is for you to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is for making this video so that I will keep on making this type of video. So what you have to do is to click the first link in the description to open this website. So once you open the website, this is the website which is called Honey. Honey is an application and a website, a web that will allow you to shop online and you are getting paid in return. That is what this website does. It helps you to get discount code and you can still make money. You make money with two ways on this app or website. So all you just need to do, pay attention. As you can see, I think this website is available in all countries, so you can try it in your own country. If you cannot find it available in your own country, there's one of my blog that I will show you right now. So guys, this is the blog. I'm updating this blog every single day with different website that you can use to make money online. I will leave the link in the description below. So if you are checking my page, this my blog every single week, you will be finding new website that you can be using to make money online. So you can see it's by chapter to chapter, so you can find a bunch of website that you can start using to make money online. So let us go back to HoneyGain. So how to start using HoneyGain? First is to register. You just need to click on the register join button, join here, click on join, and once you click on join, you can sign up. You can register with your Gmail, Facebook, PayPal, Apple, or join with your Gmail registration. You can join with your Gmail or Facebook. That depends on you. So once you click on that, HoneyGain is going to send you an email for verification. You click on that email and your account will be verified, and you will start shopping online and getting paid for free. So how does it work? Let me log into my account. Let me show you how it works. So as you can see guys, my account I've opened. It say in gold point with Honey. Redeem them for gift card. So you can see bunch of companies here. All those are brands that you can just shop from and you are getting paid. And yeah, so you can see Microsoft, you can see AliExpress, you can see Huawei, you can see a bunch of companies here. Let me say, for example, I want to shop for Nike. I will just come here and I'll search for Nike, and I can search for Nike here. I will click on Nike France, and it's going to pop up Nike, and I can click on Nike and shop from Nike. So as you can see, this is Nike, and Nike France is going to pay me 25% discount. And if I click on here, get coupon code, it will give me the coupon code, and I'll go and apply it on the category of that product that will allow me to shop with that discount code. So that is how you can use HoneyGold. And another way you can use HoneyGold too, if I click on HoneyGold, let us go to the home page. So if you go back to the home page of HoneyGold, you can search for, and like you see, like I did it, I just search for any brand at all I want to shop from, and I can shop from them, and I'll get a discount code just like that. So another way you can use HoneyGold, like you can use HoneyGold from your computer, is go to Chrome, search for Chrome Web Extension, and click on Chrome Web Store, and click on that. So once you click on that, it's going to open, and here you are going to click search for HoneyGold. Just search for HoneyGold here and click search. So it's going to pop up HoneyGold extension. Click on it, and once you click on it to open, you will see here it say remove, because I have already added it. If your own, it will be showing add, but mine is showing remove because I already have HoneyGold extension on my Chrome, on my web browser. So that is it, and you can see they have 10 million download, 10 million users, which is 10 million download that have installed this extension on their web browser. And yeah, so once you have installed this, how can you use it? So how to use it is very simple. You can go to any brand at all, and you will see it at the top. It will pop up telling you, oh, you can use this discount code 30% to 20%, depending on how much this company are willing to give for their discount code. So let me use, for example, I go to AliExpress. So as you can see, this is AliExpress. What I need to do, you can see this is the HoneyGain extension here. I will click on the HoneyGain extension. What is going to happen here is going to pop up telling me, you can see what it's saying here. It's a get 1 to 5% cash back in Honey Gold. So all I just need to do, if I click on activate, any transaction or any purchase I make on this website, which is AliExpress, they are going to track it, and I'm going to receive my point 1% to 5%. That is how much I will receive for any transaction I do on AliExpress. So that is how it works. I hope you get the idea. So yeah, if I go back to Honey Gold here, so to see your activities, click here where it say Honey Gold. Click on that session and let us wait for it to open properly. So it's going to open. So here, once it opens, it's going to show you the transaction and everything that you have done. So if I click on activities here, click on activities, so it's going to open, and here you are going to find all the transactions you have done within 3 to 14 days. If I click here now, I click all time, you will see all the transactions I'll be doing, like buying product from AliExpress and getting point. You can see pending product, pending point, pending point, pending point. So as you can see currently right now, I have 809 pending points. And yeah, so I can convert that point into cash once it's available. As you can see, it's 13 that is available for me, and I have already converted 4,000 points into my paper account, which is $40 that I've already converted into my paper account or into my Amazon or gift card that I use to redeem the money. So if I click on this session here now where you say redeem, if I click on this session where you say redeem, and on this redeem part, you will see how you will be able to receive your money. So here you to tell you that your balance is not, you don't have the minimum amount, enough balance to redeem your point. So once you hit 1,100 points, you'll be able to redeem your money. As you can see, I need more 809 points to be able to receive the remaining cash. So that is how it works. And if you scroll down here, you will find how much you need to be able to redeem your cash, your next cash price, and at the bottom you see how you will be able to receive your money. You can see that you can receive your money on paper and you can receive your money by gift card. You just need to choose between which one you want to use once you hit the minimum amount of cashing out, which is the threshold. So the second way you can use to make money with Honey is you click on this section where it say gift card and gift card, this section here, and you see say refer friends get rewarded. So copy your link here and go and share it with your friend. You'll get paid. So let us scroll down to see how it work. So you say invite, say refer friend with your unique above, refer friend with your unique link above, collect reward, get 500 gold when they sign up using your link and make their first qualifying purchase. Here what is a get gift card, redeem for a $10 gift card once you collect 1,100 gold, which is Honey Gold. And yeah, so that is how it works. So if you refer anyone, this is how much you receive by referring 500 gold, which is almost $5. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Just copy your link, start sharing it with your friends. Once they make their first purchase, you will receive this amount you can see here. So that is it, and go and start sharing this link with your friends. So that is it, guys. I'm going to end this video from here. And yeah, I know maybe some of you might be asking, is HoneyGain available worldwide? Yes, it's available worldwide. If it's not available in your own country, like I said, you have to check out my blog to find out how you'll be able to make money with other method and other website too. So you can check the bunch of website. I created this blog chapter by chapter. So if you click on any chapter here, it will take you to that particular chapter, which you see Fiverr, and it will take you to Fiverr chapter. You can look at how you can make money with Fiverr. So that is what I did on my blog, and I'm updating my blog every single week. So you need to be coming back to my blog to check it and see how you can use it to make money online for free. So that is it, and I'm going to so you already know how you can make money with HoneyGain. You already know everything. So all you just need to do, you can go now and start using it to make free money online. Go and install it on your smartphone, click on any company at all, click on any brand at all, use it to shop online and get paid in return. So that is it, guys. So before I end this video, you can check out my forum. If you want to ask me any question, you can come here, ask me any question in ways on how you can make money on yougospower.com. Ask me any question, click on community and click on YouGosPower forum, and you just ask me any question here and I'll reply you within 24 hours if you have any question in mind. You can even leave me a topic if you wish. So you just need to come into my website, which is YouGosPower. Ask me any question. To register is very simple. Just register, ask me any question, and everything is 100% free. You are not paying for registration. So that's it. And before I end this video again, don't forget again to check this my SEO tools out. So where you can see articles writer, word counter, backlink checker, keyword position checker, link analyzer, a bunch of tools you can find on this my SEO tools. So you can just check it out. Tell me what you think about this my new SEO tools. And yeah, so I'm going to end this video from here. All I ask in return, like I usually say, don't forget again to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next video I'm going to make for you. I will see you on the next one, a way on how you can make money online for free.